Buongiorno, buongiorno in my home in this very sunny day, and today is an amazing day, like every single day. That is amazing. Every chef have a recipe book. Every chef have a notes. But today I don't want to use my recipe. I want to use a recipe that is written in this amazing book. This book is La bambina che contava le formiche. Is a book that written some years ago, Gabriella Ganucci, our president, the president of FUA. The recipe that I go to perform today is Rotolo di Fragole con Panna. Is a cocoa sponge cake with whipped cream and strawberries. Is a season of strawberry, and why doesn't use it? Is not the common sponge cake recipe, because the ingredients that we use today are the common ingredients, but the method of preparation is a little bit different to the classical home style sponge cake recipe. We have the cocoa powder, we have the flour, we have melted butter, unsalted butter, we have a baking powder, we have granulated sugar, and we have eggs. Nothing weird, right? But we change a little bit the method of preparation. Usually in the sponge cake, the leavening agents are the eggs, but we ask the help to the baking powder. We have the cocoa, absorb a lot of humidity, give a very strongness to our sponge cake. We need a little bit more volume, but let me start. How? I start in the beginning with the dry ingredients plus butter. How? Like this. Butter melted in the beginning. Cocoa powder. There are not only one. There are different kinds, also in the supermarket. There are sweet cocoa powder, there are bitter cocoa powder. I prefer use the bitter cocoa powder. Every time I use a spoon, a tablespoon, for help to sift the ingredients, because if we sift like this, then the chance remain in our sifter. We won't put all quantity of cocoa powder inside. Now, with the whisker, we go to combine it. You can use a spatula or woody spoon if you want. Now, I put here on the side, and in another bowl, I go to sift flour, baking powder, cocoa powder and butter are like that. And now I go to whip what? I go to whip the eggs and the sugar together. Eggs, sugar, like rain, and we whip it 10-15 minutes. After 10 minutes, the texture of eggs and sugar should be like this. Is important follow the timing, because sponge cake, so no, not the sponge cake, the eggs, if are not whipped, it doesn't came out very soft, very spongy, very foamy, but then you obtain omelets. Look at that, should be like this, okay? Okay, no whisk when we add the ingredients into the sponge, but always the spatula. Flour, sifted before, you remember, with powder, with baking powder. We fold it. We combine, we add small quantity of sponge cake mixture in the cocoa and butter, like that. And we combine it. Why I do this? Sometimes happen that when I go to pour inside of a sponge mixture the butter melted with other ingredients, my eggs go down because maybe it's not combined very well, and I wanted that the butter is well combined, and I over fold it, and the eggs go down. Instead, like this, I avoid this issue. My sponge is done. My tray on the table. Parchment paper ready cut. One more trick. Oil. The parchment paper don't stay, and we make a very big mess. So like this. Offset spatula, and I pour in my mixture just on the side of the tray. And from this side till this side, I go to spread very, very gentle. The oil helps to the parchment paper to stay on the tray. I turn the tray. Perfetto. 10-15 minutes or 180 degrees Celsius in the oven. Strawberry moment. I wash my strawberry. I will go to cut in small pieces. If you want to be really precise, you cut in a bras noir, like this. Strawberry, pieces like this. 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. I prefer don't use in the recipe there not lemon juice. Please don't put because you have the whipped cream, then lemon juice, whipped cream, strawberry, very acid. I whipped my cream. Whisk. See you later. Sponge cake is ready. The thickness of sponge cake is more or less half a centimeter. I take out from the oven and I previously roll it on the towel. I go to re-put on the top. I combine strawberry and whipped cream, like that. I dispose strawberry like this, or with spoon, or offset spatula, or with rubber spatula. We spread a compost on top of the roll. Don't exaggerate with the quantity, then it's a big problem to rolling. Now, with parchment paper or the towel, you rolling like that. For be sure. I put in a fridge for more or less, it's not necessary, but I will put for 30 minutes, then I cut the edge and I will go to decorate it. After 30 minutes, I going to open my roll and I move on the cutting board. I cut the edge. First of all, this. We dust with powdered sugar. Our gold leaves, all right. Fedora signature. The last dust of powdered sugar, just tuck. Enjoy. Ciao. See you soon.